I have two special guests joining me this morning from the Lloydminster Region Health Foundation. Stephanie Monroe is here. She is the CEO. And then Kat Pollard, who does marketing and communications. Thank you, ladies, for joining me today.
Thank
Thanks so
you.
much for having us, Stacey.
Well, we're talking about a special event. It's happening a few months from now, but we want to get the word out. And there is a guest speaker. I guess you could call her a motivational speaker. She's just an all-around super interesting person. And you guys are bringing her into the Gold Horse Casino. Christina Kuzmic is coming. So can you tell me, for those who don't know, what is Christina's story?
So, she is just an all-around great human being. She's a comedian, she's an author, she has a lot of lived experience. And what we usually try and do for our mental health speaker in January is it's really mental health focused. So, obviously, the last couple of years, we've had amazing renowned psychologist, Dr. Jody Carrington, come in, along with last year with Ty Smith from the Humboldt Broncos. And, they were just phenomenal. But this year, we decided, we have to switch it up a little bit. And Ty was really well received, being that he had had lived experience. And so we decided to do our research and decide, who can we bring in that is someone like that, that has that lived experience, who, isn't getting their education necessarily from a book, but actually has lived it. And so Christina Kuzmic is someone that I've been following for a number of years. She actually used to work with Oprah. She was at the LEAD conference in Saskatoon last year. And I do know a few people that attended and just said, phenomenal reviews of her. So got Kat to do a little bit of research, and yeah, that's how we landed on her. And just she's had her own mental health battles, and not only her own, but dealing with her own family. And so I think she's just going to be relatable to really people of all ages, whether you're an educator, whether you're a parent, whether you're just someone who's going through a struggle, or a friend or family member, and just bringing that little bit of humor to everything that she does as well. So we're really excited to have her.
Now, this is a fundraiser. Is the money that is going to be raised, is that earmarked for anything specific?
So it will go to our Project Sunrise Fund, which we did initiate a number of years back. So our Project Sunrise Fund has been able to fund numerous things throughout our community. So most recently, the Border Bridge Counseling Service, which we're very, very proud of, as well as many things throughout the school system for the Building Mental Wellness program for grade 8 students in both school divisions. And on a regular basis, we get fund requests from various organizations that are surrounding mental health. So anything mental health related. Obviously, at the end of the day, one of our main components for our Project Sunrise is to have a full-time mental health stabilization beds here in Lloydminster. It is a dream and it is a goal that hasn't been finalized, but that is what our ultimate thing would be for Project Sunrise. So we just want everyone to feel like, they can wake up to another sunrise. So really just ongoing funding of our lloydminstermentalhealth.ca website, as well as a new app that we are currently developing for youth. We know that youth do spend a lot of time on their phones, and apps are something that they would go to. So we are in the midst also of working with a contractor who or a facilitator that we have hired to work on an app for adolescents that's just an all-around health-based app, and we'll have some mental health focus based on that as well.
Well, as usual, you have lots on the go. The Health Foundation always is contributing to the community in the best way possible. Kat, if people are looking for information and just ticket prices, that kind of thing for Christina's event, can you tell me about the prices? And are you selling them in groups? Is there a little bit of a discount, or how does that work?
We're selling the tickets through Eventbrite. That's what we've done the past few years. It works great. So we've got links on our website at lrhf.ca. So you can go there and that'll direct you right to the page. We're doing general admission tickets. So they're just $75 each. And you just first come, first serve for the seats. But we also have box suites. If you've ever been to the Gold Horse Casino, up in the event center, they do have box suites. So we've got 10-person ones that are $1,500, and then 6-person ones that are $900. So we treat you right up there. You get a little bit of a charcuterie, you get some beverage tickets as well. And you get kind of a bird's eye view of the whole show. So all the tickets, yes, are available on Eventbrite. It is going to be January 18th, and we're grateful as well to Synovus Energy for partnering with us on this once again. They're very committed to healthcare and have been big supporters of us and this event as well. So we're really excited for it.
And I know we talked about how the event is not till January, but sometimes things like this would make for a good Christmas present, or maybe you want to do a girls' night or something like that. So it is something that is suitable for anything like that. And tickets, as you said, have just started to be sold right now, but it's a good chance now to jump in, and it's also for a good cause. So maybe let's get the message out that it's obviously going to help the Health Foundation and many people in the community too, and it's something you can enjoy. Is that kind of what you guys look at doing when you bring these events in?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
And I just want to like really, it's hard to emphasize just how big of a name Christina Kuzmic is if you're not following her because she is coming from the US. So this summer she was actually, so I have my copy here, People Magazine, T Swift on the front, and Christina Kuzmic is featured in the magazine. So, we were lucky enough to probably book her before she was featured in People Magazine. So I'm sure her rates have went up since, but as well as we will have copies of her newest book there that day as well, available. So she'll do a little bit of meet and greet, and book signing as well. So we're just so excited to have this individual come to our community. And it's a girl, whether it's you're taking your husband and your wife, or your children. And in her new books, I Can Fix This, it really is about her son's mental health struggles. And so she realized that this isn't something that she can fix. She can't tell him how he's feeling. She needs for him to tell her how he's feeling. And so it really is, not only is it a good read, but just her messaging is that she knows that she can't fix it. They have to work through it together. And I think that's something with mental health, is that we all really need to realize is that we can't fix anybody. Right? We can listen to them and we can be there for them, but it's the message that she's bringing. So we're so excited to have her. And it's in our experience in the last 2 years. And I think that's why we keep on doing it, is that the Gold Horse Casino is amazing. We're so thankful to them for their cooperation and their partnership on this as well. And it's just a very, very nice venue. And people come out, they have a lot of fun. They maybe have a little tears, they have a lot of laughs, and they get out with their girlfriends, they get out with their family, their loved ones, maybe their husband, their children, and just really get to have a nice day out and a good experience.
Well, thank you, ladies, so much for joining me today. This is going to be an exciting event, and we're hoping to chat with Christina herself here in the next month or so, just so that everybody kind of gets that flavor of what she's like. So, once again, this is January 18th at the Gold Horse Casino. Thank you once again, and thank you for bringing such great events to the city and helping out with the foundation. Everything you guys do is just amazing and successful, and I'm sure this will absolutely be no different. So, thank you, ladies, once again for chatting with me.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Stacey.